Hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to replace a missing file on Adobe Premiere Pro. Sometimes you will see red, a file turn to red, and you have to replace it. Let's just get started. Let's assume we are working on this particular video as a project. We are working on this video as a project. Then let me put it in a folder. Call it missing test. Cut and place it here. Then let us assume we are working on this file before. It's a job that we have already edited. It's an edited project. We have already edited this file. Let me put it here. It's a finished job, final edited job. Along the line something came up, or maybe the Adobe Premiere crashed, or maybe you mistakenly deleted the file and somehow you want to replace it. So let me show you something. Let me delete. Let's assume I cut this job mistakenly, cut it out from this to this place. Then from the Adobe Premiere, see, it now turns to red. As you can see, the project is missing because I mistakenly deleted the raw file from the place I saved the project. Remember, this same project is somewhere else, right here. This is where it is. So how do we locate this file? Okay, let me start. Click on the file from the project bar, then go to clip. You will see link media, then click locate. It's now locating the file where I saved it. Then I will now search for the same place I saved the folder. It's somewhere at this journal tracking data. Then I will now search this is it. Then this is the missing text. Click on the folder and say okay, it will replace. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. Please try to subscribe on our channel if you find this helpful. I'll see you next time. Thank you.